Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the basic Autocad drawing. So before starting the drawing, check the units, precision 2 to 3 points as per your convenient, units, okay. Check the dimensions, so D enter as per your requirement, Indian standard or American standard. So here I am using American standard, ANSI, then modify. So modify dimensions, lines, color I use green, an extension line red, symbols and arrows, size I am using 3.5, text color yellow 3.5, height, units, okay, set current, close. And next thing you have to check whether it's right click and go to options, so whether the format is supported by all. So AutoCAD save as 2000 so that it can support the older version. Yeah, automatically it will be saving. So, okay, so now we can start the drawing. So before starting you have to see here, this is the drawing. So we will be starting from here, origin 40 20 10. Okay, so go to home. Here we will be using this draw, modify, annotate. It is 3. So in drawing, click on line, specify 0, 0 from origin, and now you have to use the straight line 90 degrees. So simply Orthomode on, you can click by here, Orthomode or F8 shortcut, 40, enter the length, zoom it, and up 20, this side 10, escape. So we have completed 40 20 10, and this side 50 10 40. Okay, line and 50 10 40. 10 and 10. So here the drawing is almost complete. Now we have to just keep here to here join, and it should be at an angle of 45 degree. Okay. So take a line, Orthomode off. We don't know the distance, so simply we are going to press tab and check the angle. So angle is starting from here 0, so we need 45. So 0 to here it's 90 and total is 180. So 180 minus 45, so that we have to put here. So 180 minus 45, 135. So now we have to use the dimensions, our dimension. 40, 20, 50, 40, 10. Now for angle, try to make a center line from this point. So angle between this line and this line is 45. So here the drawing is completed. That's it. Now we have to simply save it. If you want to give any numbers or add text, you can simply add, change the size as per your requirement, name the drawing K2, click using mouse and click here, and you can just simply move it. Okay, it's done. Select Annotate, title and border. It will calculate it. It's done. Okay, leave some space here. So file name 2 by your name. Okay, if you don't click enter, it will escape. So now it's saved. Title and border. And then next, before going to outlet, simply just off the grid. Layout, view, enter, specify, click here and click here. So that's all. Thank you. Save it.